Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to do something different. I have a lot of clients that have been coming to me and asking me for balloon columns. So I want to spend some time giving you guys ideas on how to create different types of balloon columns. In this video, I want to make a rainbow balloon column, and it's going to have a pretty intricate design, okay? So make sure that you follow along. And then if you guys have any questions, I'm actually going to be creating some DIY design guides. And that's going to walk you through step by step on how to create this rainbow balloon column. All right? So let's get started. So let me walk you through what you're going to need. The first thing is a floor lamp. So I got mine right from Target. And then you're going to need a balloon sizer. Here's my wooden one right here. You're going to have to make sure that all the balloons are the same size. Then you're going to need a pump to blow up your balloons. And then last but not least, as you can see, I have different colored balloons here, and that's what's going to create the rainbow. These are all 11-inch balloons, but you are going to need some 5-inch balloons as well. Guys, so for this balloon column, you're going to need 5-inch balloons, and we're going to size those down to 4 inches. You're also going to need 11-inch balloons, but we're going to size those down to 8 inches. All right, so I'm going to start blowing up my 5-inch balloons. I'm using my hand pump, guys. I will put a link in the description. If you don't want to use a hand pump, I'll give you an electric pump for your 5-inch balloons. All right, so I have two 11-inch balloons here. And guys, please make sure you pay attention. You have to blow up these colors, right? There's going to be different color combinations that you're going to need in order to create this balloon column. All right, so now here's the first color combination that I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to blow up my second set of balloons. This is going to be another quad. So remember, a quad is 4 balloons that are twisted and tied together. So I'm using 2 hot pink 5-inch balloons and then 2 red 5-inch balloons, okay? So this is, I feel like the hardest part of this balloon column is just making sure that you have the right color combinations, and that is what's going to form that rainbow pattern, okay? So please, guys, please make sure you're paying attention to the color combinations that I'm using, all right? So let me walk you through what I'm doing. Again, make sure you're paying attention to the colors. I'm going to start with this quad right here that has 2 red 5-inch, 1 hot pink, and 1 purple 11-inch. Now I'm going to use this quad that has 2 hot pink 5-inch and then 2 red 5-inch. Just slide it onto the lampstand and then you're going to twist and lock the balloons in place. Now, as you can see, I have these colors and I'm just going to slide it right onto the lampstand, okay? Now I have 2 hot pink and 2 yellow. Make sure that the yellow balloon is on the same side. And then I'm just going to slide this on the stand and then twist and lock the 5-inch balloons in place, okay? All right. And so now you can see the pattern starting to form, right? So you see this zigzag pattern starting to form. All right, guys. So that was the rainbow balloon column idea. Let me know in the comments, what did you think? I found this idea on Pinterest and I just had to try it out. So make sure you check the description of this video. I'm gonna put the links for all of the materials that I use. And again, if you have any questions, I'm gonna be creating a detailed DIY design guide for you guys if you need more help, all right? So if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll see you in my next video.